Customer service training tip of the day, follow the process, coming up.
Hi, I'm JB with Marketing 360, and we help small businesses grow with our marketing and design, talent, and technology through our #1 marketing platform, Marketing 360. We call marketing and design MAD, and we love MAD. And hopefully these videos will help you fall in love with MAD too. So make sure to follow us to learn tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your business and fuel your brand.
So customer service training tip of the day is to follow the process. Following the process means follow the process. Don't skip steps. Don't not hear the customer out. What happens oftentimes is in customer service, you hear the same problem a lot from different customers, and it can become so easy just to cut them off at the pass because you know where they're headed and give them the solution. But the problem in that is the customer doesn't feel heard. And when they don't feel heard, they don't feel that you're providing to them the best experience that you could. So here's the deal. Even when you know where they're going with something, reserve yourself from cutting them off. Let them finish their thought. Tell them that you understand what you heard them say, and then give them a solution. You're gonna find better results as a result of that. And so one just example here that we use at Madwire a lot of times and Marketing 360 in terms of how to handle these types of situations is the example of a doctor. So imagine you go into the doctor and you have an issue and you start to tell the doctor what the issue is, and they immediately cut you off because they've heard this a million times because they know where you're going with it, and say, perfect, I know what you got this, you need these prescriptions and you're gonna be fine. How confident do you really feel that they truly diagnosed you properly? Whereas if you have the experience of going to the doctor, telling them you have this issue, and they just sit there and listen. They ask questions even though they already know the answer just to confirm the issue, but really it's confirming it with the patient more so than anything. They walk you through the whole journey. They really make you feel that they've listened to your concerns. They really have asked enough questions to truly understand the issues that you have and truly understand a diagnosis to fix the problem. If they gave you the exact same prescription as doctor number one, they at the end of the day, they offered the same solution, but the customer experience was better in experience number two because they felt heard. And that's the perfect example to think about in our day-to-day when we're dealing with customers. If we're cutting them off at the pass, yes, ultimately we're probably giving them the right answer. We're probably solving their problem, but they don't feel necessarily that they've had the best experience in determining that. Whereas if we're hearing them out, we're asking questions, we're validating their thoughts and giving them a true solution, they're gonna buy into that. And when they buy into it, you get more reviews, you get more referrals, which equals more sales. So it's truly a great way to grow your business. Appreciate you watching. Leave a comment if you have any other cool stories like this for customer service and following the process. Like the video, share it with anybody you think might gain value in it. Happy marketing, and have a great day.